is all you'll need to make my delicious sweet chicken in apricot sauce. Some chicken breasts or mini fillets, thigh fillets, whatever you want, some chicken. Chicken stock, optional, half a pepper, some apricots of course, carrot, 4 or 5 garlic cloves, an onion, a squirt of tomato puree, some marmalade, or you can use apricot jam if you like, and some paprika. First thing we're going to do, just get some oil into your pan, and then it's in with your chicken breasts, and we're just going to brown them off, so 2 or 3 minutes either side until they got a nice tan. Once your chicken's nicely brown, it's time to turn off the heat, put them on a plate to one side, and then get on with your veg. With your carrot, get it peeled, chopped in half, because we're going to make what's called little matchsticks or julienne carrots, to give it its posh name. And you're going to need a mandolin. If you haven't got a mandolin, you're going to need ninja chopping skills. Something like that is your required result. With your carrots nicely cut up, it's time to get on with your onion, down the middle, and then you want quite long onion slices. And then it's on with your bell pepper. Again, cut it thinly. And with your peppers, just cut them in half again. And there you are, your veg is ready. Into the pan you've took your chicken out of, go your carrots, onions, and your bell pepper. And you're just going to gently fry them for 5 minutes just to soften everything down. With your veg nicely softened and semi-caramelised, it's time to go in with a tablespoon of your marmalade and just get that mixed in. And then into there, your apricot that you've washed and chopped up. And give that another minute to heat through. When they've heated through, it's in with your garlic, and a tablespoon of your paprika. Again, give those another minute just to release the flavours. When they've had a minute, it's time to go in with your chicken stock, and a dash of your tomato puree. And then lastly, back in with your chicken fillets. And lastly, you're going in with some salt and black pepper seasoning. And then you're going to simmer that away to reduce down this sauce, which is quite watery at the minute, so we're going to reduce it down and thicken it up. When you've reduced it down so it's more syrupy, it's time to get your plate out and plate it up. If you want to add more calories and decadence, just get yourself some double cream and pour that in there. Then enjoy.